Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here. Today I'm in Auckland, and let me give you a quick scan of the wonderful view. The sun is rising, it's very early here. So I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm here running something called a practical data science course, which is one of my favorite courses. We cover the basics of how to train a model, and then once you train the model, we can then host the model on an endpoint and we can run inference on that model. And the great thing about running inference on a model is that we can choose the type of EC2 instance we want under the hood and have that managed for us, of course, in a highly available manner. So the students today will be doing lots of exercises in SageMaker AI, hands-on Python exercises, getting used to training those models, hosting those models, and running inference on those models. We're also going to cover how to clean your data using Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler. So lots of goodies the students are going to have today. Well, that's it from me. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Again, hope you're enjoying the beautiful view. And this is Digital Colmer in Auckland, and signing off.